If you've been thinking about getting a smart vacuum, but you don't want to spend upwards of $1,000 on a top-of-the-line Roomba, then you may have come across the Roborock Xiaowa E35. It's a mid-range vacuum, and it claims to have the strongest suction power of any smart vacuum on the market. But you may be wondering if this is the right vacuum for you, and if it's worth the price. I'm Joel from Make Use Of, and this is our review of the Roborock Xiaowa E35 Smart Robot Vacuum. The Xiaowa E35 is a sweeper with an optional mopping attachment. It's 7 pounds, has a circular design, 14 inches diameter, 3.5-inch height. The front half is surrounded by a bumper for collisions and has internal sensors for detecting nearby walls and cliffs. There's an omnidirectional wheel that allows it to maneuver in place, a side brush for sweeping debris away from walls. It also has 4 suction settings: silent, standard, strong, and max, which has a pressure of 2,000 pascals. The vacuum body has buttons for power, returning to the charging dock, and spot cleaning, which instructs it to clean in a radius around its current location. It also has a flap that opens up to reveal the dustbin, which is easy to remove and dump, and at 640 milliliters, the dustbin is large enough to run daily for a week. The cleaning process itself is pretty primitive. The vacuum goes line by line, bumping into things and either going around if it's small enough, turning around completely if it's too big. And when there are no areas left to be cleaned, it returns to the charging dock all on its own. You can also control the Xiaowa E35 using the Mi Home app. You first connect to the device using Bluetooth to set up Wi-Fi details, and then you use Wi-Fi from then on. In the app, you can tell it to start or stop cleaning. You can create cleaning schedules, set suction power, view a live map while it cleans, and control its movements remotely. The remote control is nifty, but the live map is pointless. You can't use it to tell the vacuum where to go. You can't draw zones or walls to tell it to stay out of areas. If you want to do that, you have to purchase a separate Roborock magnetic strip, which is basically tape for marking off boundaries in your house or your apartment. The Xiaowa E35 also tends to desync with its map over time, so that it thinks it's in a particular spot, but it's actually a few feet off. It's not a huge problem, but it can cause a vacuum to get lost or stuck on its way back to the charging dock. And while the product description says it can climb uneven surfaces up to 1 inch tall, I did find that it had trouble climbing onto my rug, which is only about 1/2 inch tall. Maintenance is simple, and the HEPA filter that's in the dustbin is removable and washable. But as with all robot vacuums, you do have to do a bit of pre-cleaning to make sure that there are no obstacles on the ground in order for it to do the best job it can. I also found that while it's pretty good at cleaning up pet hair, it does leave a little behind even when cleaning on max power. As for battery life, it can clean for up to 2 hours or so on a single charge. My apartment is 650 square feet, and it takes about an hour to clean the whole thing, and then it has about 50% battery life remaining when it's done. So overall, the Roborock Xiaowa E35 is good, but it retails for $359. And while that might not be as much as a top-of-the-line Roomba, it is significantly more expensive than some of the budget robot vacuums that are out on the market. And they do offer a similar level of performance to this one. So while I am happy with the Xiaowa E35, and I will be using it every day, I don't know if I can recommend buying it at full price. If you can get it at a discount, it would be worth it. Otherwise, there are cheaper options out there. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it helped. And if you'd like more tech reviews like this one, please like and subscribe down below. By the way, Make Use Of is giving away one of these Roborock Xiaowa E35 vacuums. If you're interested, go down to the video description, click on the link to the full review, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll see the giveaway widget, and you can enter there. Plus you can enter the code ROBOROBO for extra entries and a greater chance at winning. Good luck!